हाय फ्रेंड्स. मन शुद्ध तुझ गोष्ट हाये पृथ्वी मोलाची. हा पृथ्वी मोलाची. हाय पृथ्वी मोलाची. तू चाल पुढं तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची. परवाही कुणाची. झेंडा भल्या कामाचा तो घेऊन निघाला. झेंडा भल्या कामाचा तो घेऊन निघाला. काटकुट वाट मधी बोचती त्याला. काटकुट वाट मधी बोचती त्याला. रगत निघल तरी बी हसल. रगत निघल तरी बी हसल. श्याम सुधेची. तू चाल तुला तुला रगड्या भीती कशाची. परवाही कुणाची. 1934 सालचं प्रभातचा हा एक सुवर्ण काळ, अतिशय देखणा काळ. याच कालावधीमध्ये अनेक संगीतकार, गीतकार, दिग्दर्शक, अभिनेत्री यांनी हा काळ एक सुंदरपणे रंगवला. आपल्याला एक छानपैकी मस्त मधुर आठवणी दिल्या. तर अशा या प्रभातच्या सुंदर काळामध्ये, सुवर्ण काळामध्ये या गीताची निर्मिती झाली. सिनेमाचं नाव होतं लक्ष्मी आणि परशुराम यांचं हे सादरीकरण होतं. अतिशय सुंदर. एक छोटासा 12-13 वर्षांचा मुलगा त्यानं ज्या पद्धतीनं हे एक सुंदर असं मोटिवेशनल गीत सादर केलं. प्रतिकूलतेमध्ये, संघर्षामध्ये, दुःखामध्ये आपण कशा पद्धतीने पुढं जाऊ शकतो, त्यावरती मात करू शकतो, याचं एक सुंदर उदाहरण. आणि त्याचं ते छानपैकी असं अल्लड नृत्य, वा, एक अप्रतिम नमुना. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट SWOT. 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 S फॉर स्ट्रेंथ्स. आपल्यातले चांगले गुण, हमारी विशेषता है. W फॉर वीकनेसेस. ये ऐसा क्या एरिया है कि हमको उसमें आगे जाना है. वी आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दैट एरिया, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द वीकनेसेस. O फॉर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. द न्यू थिंग, कंसिडरिंग द न्यू ईरा, द न्यू टाइम एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. What are the new opportunities for us? Many times we blame that we are not getting the opportunity, but are you really serious? Are you making space for to create new opportunities? Are you keeping your third eye open all the time? A question for all of us. Then T for threats. If we are not up to the mark, someone may come, someone may overtake, and he will or she will capture your position. So we have to be always up to the mark. So SWOT is very important. Personal gauge. हमें अपने आप में झांकना है कि मेरे में विशेषता क्या है, कमियां क्या है, खामियां क्या है, मैं कहाँ आगे जा सकता हूँ, और मैंने ये नहीं किया, अगर मैं समय के साथ मैंने वक्त का सम्मान नहीं किया तो क्या वक्त मेरा अपमान कर सकता है भविष्य में. ये हमेशा हमको ध्यान में रखना है, हमारे दिमाग में, मस्तिष्क में, जहन में रखना है. सो लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द स्ट्रेंथ्स. स्ट्रेंथ्स में हमारी विशेषता, वेयर वी आर कंफर्टेबल, दैट इज आवर पावर. Your academic career is your strength. Your various technical knowledge is your strength. Your various skills are your strengths. Your various curricular activities, that is your strength. Soft skill. If you are physically well, fit, fine and shine, great, wonderful. Your skills, your personality, communication skill, your posture, gesture, negotiation skill, your interpersonal skill, your leadership qualities, a number of things that matters a lot. Think about that. If you are good, try to make it go to the next level, that is called the better, best. Very important. These all, it comes under the strengths. Your academic career, digital technology, your various skills, your specialties, your soft skill, these are all comprehensive package. It means that this is your strength if you are positive at it. Then W for weaknesses. हमारे नकारात्मक गुण क्या, हमारे में कमियां क्या है. If you are not academically fine, that is your weak point. If your soft skill is not good, your weak point. If you are not with the time and technology, it's your great weak point. So these weak points are nothing but they are pulling you down. So pen it down, where are my opportunities, which all the things where I have to take a lead systematically and practical implementation. Knowing our weaknesses is just 1% success, and working on it seriously, that is called 100% success. So we should know about our weaknesses. Then O for opportunities. What are the new things are going to come in the market? We should be aware. Nowadays, we all know that we are going through a very tough, challenging era. Are we ready to face the new challenges? Am I capable? Many new novel ideas, creative ideas are going to come. So we should have vision. What is vision? To see in advance, to see in future, and to prepare yourself for the same. भविष्य में क्या होने की संभावना है अगले 2 हफ्ते में, 3 महीने में, 6 महीने में, 3 साल में, and accordingly we have to prepare for the same. Then only you are going to be a winner. You are going to be a right person in the forthcoming race. Otherwise, someone may come, he may overtake you, and you will be stagnant at your position. So we should find the new opportunities. Nowadays, new things are coming. Technology, digital things are getting very importance, and we have to be always give our best contribution to learn more things about the artificial intelligence. All these things we have to acquire this ground. Then threat, dhoke. If we are not up to the mark, if we are not grabbing the opportunity, if we are not having the appropriate knowledge, so what all the negative things are likely to happen in future? अगर मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ तो भविष्य में क्या होने की संभावना है नकारात्मक. That may lose my confidence, that may lose my opportunities, that may lose my career opportunities, healthy relationship, happiness, pleasure. A lot negative things may occur if we are not up to the mark as far as the today's world is concerned. So be serious, have your own sword, pen it down, work it accordingly. Your immediate priorities, your mid-term priorities, your long-term priorities, and apply practically upon the same. If you do it, you are going to be a winner and invincible. I'm sure that we all are going through a very different and challenging era, and we are going to become winner and winners only. Thank you. My name is Professor Prakash Dalvi, 9822397550. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.